the world's first rugged model with built-in TWS earbuds, Armor 15 from the Ulefone brand, just officially launched its Kickstarter campaign today. According to Ulefone sources, backers are now finally allowed to select the great early bird perks. And all backers who pledge without a reward are going to get coupons for other Ulefone products or accessories as a bonus as well. The Ulefone Armor 15 gets quite a characteristic appearance, and it looks like a cool car. Approved by IP68, IP69K, MIL STD810G certification and more robust trim. This new device bears more solid structure than previous model. So what will this revolutionary 2-in-1 device bring in terms of specs? For starters, their appearance philosophy is make people carry less electronics daily and just travel lighter. For that you get the built-in TWS earbuds inside Armor 15. It can easily meet your demand for listening whenever and wherever possible. Powered by big 6600 mAh battery, Armor 15 can act as a power support for the TWS earbuds as well. These earbuds will let you enjoy 5 hours of listening time per charge, and up to total 505 hours of battery life with the Armor 15 case. In addition to that, Armor 15 also has dual front-facing speakers, with dual smart PA and max 2-watt power. Then we get 2-megapixel and 13-megapixel dual camera on the back, for some solid photo shoot experience. The internal storage of the phone is also relatively big with 128 gigs, and you get 6 gigs RAM as well. Driven by Android 12 and MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, the phone is smooth and not handcuffed in performance. We also get a 5.45 inches display or NFC chip supporting Google Pay. The official Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign has just kicked off, and the early bird price looks quite tempting. Just pick your preferred version of the early bird price or even pledge. Without a reward, Ulefone's campaign on Kickstarter welcomes all. What do you think about the new smartphone from Ulefone? Did they catch your attention? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.